Hello, good morning all. I, Miss Kavalpreet Korpuri, welcome you to my YouTube channel. So, today I'll be discussing about Unit 1 of Teaching Aptitude, which is very much important under Paper 1 of NTA UGC NET and SLET examination. Before we start talking about teaching aptitude, let's understand that this unit, teaching aptitude, is basically about the teacher-student environment. And what is teaching, we all know. It is an activity of the teacher. But what is aptitude? It is a natural ability to do something. So, teaching aptitude is the natural ability to teach. It involves the study of student-teacher relationship in a controlled environment. So with this, we understand why in the present environment, this topic is very much helpful. I always give this suggestion to my students that as per the note of the UGC NET, per topic, we can expect 5 questions. So in short, we have 10 marks from this topic. And teaching aptitude is so relevant for a teacher that in our daily life, we are practicing something or the other related to it. So I definitely want all of you to get full 10 marks in this unit. If you have completed your B.Ed or you are pursuing it, this topic becomes many times easier for you all. Just a note, if you want to study this topic in a better manner, then you can buy any of the B.Ed book or notes available related to B.Ed. And whenever you study any content, any material related to this topic, make sure you are sticking to the syllabus of the NET set. Because I always say it is not possible to study each and everything. And if you want my recommendation for paper 1 book, it is Arihant publication with the updated syllabus. Now let's understand what this unit is all about. It is divided into total 6 subtopics. So let's study the syllabus first. Under teaching, we have concept, objectives, levels of teaching, memory, understanding, and reflective. It means we have 3 levels of teaching. And yes, questions have been asked on this, characteristics and the basic requirements. So under this subtopic 1, we expect questions related to teaching only. And 50% of the question paper is definitely easy. So this is very easy topic. Other than levels of teaching, everything is basic. So we can expect 2 marks from this subtopic. Second is about learner's characteristics. Who is a learner? Our student is called as the learner under this teaching learner environment. Questions expected on this are characteristics of the adolescent, that is our teenager students, undergraduates and postgraduates, and adult learners. And in the bracket, they have mentioned characteristics related to the academics, social, emotional, and cognitive. What is cognitive? It is something related to the knowledge, intellectual level, and we have individual differences. Again, very easy topic. We can score 2 marks. So under subtopic 1 and 2, we expect questions related to the teacher and the learner. Third is factors affecting teaching. We have been getting questions related to it. Few statements are asked and we are supposed to find out which of the factors affect teaching. So we have related under this subtopic something related to the teacher, the learner, the support material. What is support material? Anything that supports my teaching. Instructional facilities, what we are using for teaching. It can be your traditional mode, it can be the traditional mode, learning environment and the institution. Infrastructure, administrative setup, the support from the management, all these questions can be under this subtopic 3. Fourth subtopic is methods of teaching in institutions of higher learning. This is something which has been updated. So we have teacher-centered versus learner-centered methods. And amongst this, you may have questions related to which is the best method of teaching. So you need to remember, as compared to teacher-centered, always learner-centered methods are best methods. So keep yourself updated with the recent methods and offline versus online methods, that is Swayamprabha MOOCs. We have been seeing that questions related to have been asked in each and every attempt. And this topic, Swayamprabha, is also covered under higher education as well as ICT, digital initiatives by the government. So we again expect 2 marks from this topic. Teaching support system, traditional, modern and ICT based. This fifth subtopic is very much easy to score. And sixth is evaluation system, under where we have 3 types which are very much important and questions are asked on it: formative, summative and diagnostic. If you have watched my previous videos, I have given a brief explanation about it. Sometimes I match the column or assertion and reasoning is asked on it. So we have elements and types of evaluation: evaluation in choice based credit system in higher education, computer based testing, which is this online method of examination. Presently our NTA net examination is through CBT, and innovations in evaluation system. Today, when we are teaching through online medium, we are judging our students through online quizzes and assignments, so that can be also a part of the question. So if I look at the syllabus again, teaching aptitude is divided into 6 subtopics, and I told you that we expect 5 questions on every topic. So definitely we can understand what it can be, either from teaching, learner characteristics, factor affecting teaching related to, or methods of teaching in institutions of higher learning, teaching support system and evaluation system. So I always recommend go for the first topic, subtopic teaching, learner characteristic. Third is very easy. Fourth, definite one question on this online methods, and we have questions on the evaluation system. So if I refer the past papers, I can predict that at least these 4 questions will be asked definitely. I just want to say you that today is 20th July and it is celebrated as World Nature Conservation Day. So tomorrow this can be one of the question under people development and environment, or just for the sake of general knowledge, you can keep yourself updated. All the best. Thank you. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, share and like with your friends.